What's up? I'm Wilfred and this is your Saturday Night Drink. Today we're joined with...
Guess who's back?
Marisa.
Back again.
She's a part-time model. And the cook. What? And the cook. Why is it not working? It usually works. And the cook. Chef. Why is it not working? A chef. And a chill person. Tonight we'll be making, what are we gonna be making?
Well, I'll be making the salty dog, I don't know.
I'll be making the margarita and the passion fruit shot. So enough for the yammering?
And let's get to mixing.
Hell yeah, let's go. Like I said, I'll be making the margarita. So you wanna start with rimming your glasses?
With some salt.
Of course. I'm gonna be making this recipe for two, so like you want to slash that in half if you're making it for yourself. So obviously you want to start with ice. You want to come 2 ounce and a half of tequila, because it's a margarita. 3/4 ounce of orange liquor, and we're gonna be making it for two, so we're gonna do that twice.
That works for one person too.
1 ounce lime juice. Steady hands, my friend, steady hands. And of course, shaking, right? You wanna give it a try?
Let's do it.
Cheers.
Not bad. Not bad.
Yes. As long as she likes my drinks, I don't care what anyone says.
I like salt. 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10? Did you wait, you done already?
Yeah. I like salt.
No, I like it.
It's not bad. It's really good.
And I'm done. Wow.
Finally.
She's coming at me, yo. She's coming at me. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna make this song. Oh, wait, you're making this one, right?
Yeah, get out of the way. Okay,
right.
so...
One second. That's not supposed to be in this video.
You're ruining the shot.
I know. Sorry. Right there. There we go. You know what?
Didn't want to break your shit, but okay.
More ice. You can never have enough ice.
He puts a lot of ice in it because he doesn't like a lot of alcohol or other things in it. So he thinks that if he puts a lot of ice, that it won't, show too much. Put some grape juice in there for some color.
Yes. Color. You can't forget about the color. Look at that. How much vodka did you put in there again?
About 1.25 ounces.
Oh yeah, there we go.
And let's put a little decor.
Wow. That's pretty.
What do you think?
She does it better than me, don't you think?
Yes.
Well, cheers to this salty
Cheers.
dog. I like that a lot.
Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10.
Well, it's her drink, so she can rate it however she wants. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. No, cheers again for that.
Cheers.
So why is this a 6, huh?
Because I want it to be a 6.
You can't argue with the woman, you know what I'm saying?
Don't argue with me.
I'm not, don't worry about it. Oh, I really like this. There you have it, the salty dog. I'm not gonna put this.
That was so good.
I'm not. Do you have it on camera? She just said the salty dog was good. She made it a 6 out of 10, but she just said it was great.
Shut up.
Yes. Comes to my house and judges my shit.
Shut up.
Thank God you got it on camera.
What are we making now?
All right. Well, we're gonna be making a layered shot. This is gonna be the fruit passion. 3/4 of whiskey, but I tried it yesterday with 3/4. It was a little too strong, so I'm gonna put 1/2 ounce of whiskey on mine. I'm gonna give her the 3/4.
Wuss.
Then
that's it.
It's so small, right? Then you wanna follow that with your orange liquor. Yesterday I was looking at this. I thought this was like maybe 12%. It's 40%.
40%.
Yeah.
Orange liqueur.
40%. Not bad, right? So we're gonna do that again. Do you wanna do this one? Oh.
Sure.
Alright.
So my sister is really good at layering drinks.
Oh, really?
She's done 5 layered drinks.
What?
Amazing. She does it.
Those, like-
I've never paid attention to when she does it, but she'll literally have like 5 colors in her drink.
Yeah, I gotta
and
talk
it'll
to her.
all be layered up.
Yeah.
Okay, how much whiskey did you put in it?
Go 3/4. Then. Doesn't even layer it. Straight to the point. I like it. She can't blame me for this one because she messed up the measurement.
I will still drink it. And I will still enjoy it. And it's an actual full shot. Not like this shit they give you at the club. Like, this is what you want, not this. So, I'm a connoisseur when it comes to the club life.
Throws me off on my show. I like it though. Damn. I really enjoyed having you here.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy coming?
I enjoyed being here.
Well, that's good. Well,
No, you're annoying.
the fruit. What? You just said my name?
Oh, no,
Wow.
nothing. Continue.
All right.
Cheers.
Good?
Okay, yeah. Not bad at all.
You see what I mean?
Pretty good.
You want to rate it?
I will give it an 8 out of 10.
8! There we go! 8 is our highest rating, so I'm happy with that. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Be sure to join me next week and obviously check her out, Kitchen Warrior. And yeah, join me next week for what we'll be making and obviously drinking. And yeah, thank you again for watching. Shall we go?
Yeah, let's go.
Go!